In this Python coding video, we will understand the problem 6 of problem set 4 for edX MIT 6.00.1x Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. Before we begin, please understand that there may be several possible ways to solve any given coding problem. The way I am attempting to solve this is just one of the many possible solutions. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the way I have tried to solve this. Okay, let's start. So first we remove this comment and remove this line. N is equal to hand underscore size. Hand is equal to curly brackets open close. First we take n equal to hand underscore size constant to determine the number of cards in a hand. Then we assign hand to an empty dictionary. While true enter ask underscore input is equal to input enter n to deal a new hand R to replay the last hand or E to end game. Next we start an infinite loop and ask the user to enter input of n, r or e. If ask underscore input equals r colon enter, if hand equals curly bracket open close colon enter, print you have not played a hand yet, please play a new hand first. Print bracket open close. Then we check if the input entered is R so as to replay the last hand. If it is, then we also check if the hand dictionary is empty, because if it is, then we display to the user that a hand has not been played yet. Else play hand word list and print bracket. Otherwise, we invoke the playHand function, passing it the hand, word list, and n as arguments. Elif ask underscore input equals n hand equal to deal and play hand word list and print. Next, we check for the input to be n. If it is, then we invoke the deal hand function, and using the hand thus obtained, we call the play hand function with the respective arguments and also print a blank line. Elif ask underscore input equals e colon enter break. We check whether the input is e, because if it is, then we break out of the loop. Else colon enter print invalid command. Finally, if the input is something else, we print invalid command. So our function is complete now, but before we submit it to the grader, let's first test it locally. So run this. So let's say R. So you have not paid a hand yet, okay. N. So then dot R dot N then again N X invalid E dot E, and that's the end of the program. And we see that the output is as expected. Thus we have tested that our code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If something is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we would try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.